Hi all, in this video I am going to explain the difference between union and structure. So coming your definition wise, union and structure both are similar. So both are called user defined data types and both are used for storing heterogeneous data. That is a different types of data we can group under a single name. For that purpose only we are using structures and unions concept. So the main difference between the structure and union is allocating a memory space. See here, I'm defined one union and the name of my union is employee. So it consists in three data members: name, salary and age of an employee. So here name is of type string, so that in C I cannot use any string keyword. I cannot have any string keyword, so that I am using character array to store the string. So I am taking 32 as my size of string, so that it can occupy 32 bytes. Now coming to a salary, it is of type floating point, so it will take 4 bytes of memory. For age, I will taken as an integer data type and it is also having 4 bytes. So now I am creating one union variable for an employee union, and after that for the same definition I will created one structure which is name with an employee, and it is also having the same data members which my union is having, and after that I am creating the structure variable SE to employee. So now here for structure, if I am trying to find the size of a structure variable, now it will show me like the summing of all my data members, that is 32 bytes plus 4 plus 4, it will add and it will show me like 40 bytes for my variable SE of structure employee. Whereas coming to union, so it will take the maximum size of the data member it will choose, and only it will reserve that much of memory. In union, so in employee union I will declare 3 data members and this will take 32 bytes and this will take only 4 bytes and this will take only 4 bytes. So it will choose the maximum data member as name and it will reserve only that much of memory for a union. So because of using unions, we can save the internal storage, internal wastage we can reduce by using this unions concept. But whereas coming to a structure, so the differences will show you the allocation of a memory. So now we can choose an applications where we have to use structure and where we have to use a union. So I'll show you the differences of using in different applications after this video. So in my main function, so I'm using only printf statements because my purpose is I want to show you the differences between the union and structure variable memory allocation. So for that I am written these two statements. Size of union is, so it will return an integer value, so that I am taken a percentile d, and size of is a function in C programming language which is used to provide the size of any variable that may be of user defined or predefined variables. So I'm using these two statements for printing the size of union and structure. So now I'll execute this program. See, you can observe that for union it will show you only 32 bytes because it will choose the maximum data member, the maximum size of data member, and it will reserve that much of memory only. And coming to a structure, so it will take the summing of all the data members. So now you can observe that by union it will reserve only 32 bytes. For structure it will reserve, for the same structure it will reserve 40 bytes. Thank you.